Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Abdul Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops, in their continued acts of state terrorism, martyred one more Kashmiri youth in Sundarbani area of Rajouri district today, taking the toll to 6 in the territory since yesterday. The occupation troops martyred one youth in the same area and 4 others in Pulwama and Kolgam districts yesterday. 3 Indian soldiers, including a junior commission officer, have been killed in the attacks in Sundarbani during the operation, which is going on since 29th of June. The troops also launched similar operations in Kolgam and Samba districts. The occupation authorities suspended internet services in Kolgam and Pulwama districts. On the other hand, Indian troops and police personnel used brute force on mourners, including the family members of a martyred youth in Pulwama district. The troops barged into the compound of the residence of the martyred youth at Padgampora in Avantipora area of the district and severely beat up the mourners, injuring many of them. The troops also destroyed the Shamiana, where people were expressing solidarity with the bereaved family. Illegally detained senior All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Shabbir Ahmed Shah, talking from New Delhi's Tihar jail to his daughter over telephone in Srinagar, said the Indian government has kept him in Tihar jail among coronavirus patients to die. He, however, made it clear that he was ready to embrace martyrdom for the sake of the Kashmir cause. Shabbir Shah asked her to never submit any appeal for his release, as he has a commitment to the Kashmiri people that he would continue struggle till the settlement of the Kashmir dispute. The Secretary General of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, Yusuf bin Ahmed Al Usaymin, has raised issues concerning the situation of Muslims in India and proposed to send a delegation to Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the OIC in a statement said that during a meeting with the Indian ambassador to Saudi Arabia, Awsaf Said in Jeddah, the OIC chief reviewed a number of issues concerning the situation of Muslims in India, along with the Jammu and Kashmir dispute and relevant United Nations and OIC resolutions opposing any unilateral actions on the issue. He conveyed the desire of the OIC General Secretariat to dispatch a delegation to the disputed territory in line with the relevant resolutions of the OIC Council of Foreign Ministers. Meanwhile, posters again appeared today in several parts of Baramulla, paying tributes to the martyred popular youth leader Burhan Muzaffar Wani. The posters were displayed by Tehreek-e-Istiqlal Jammu and Kashmir and freedom lovers. Speakers of a seminar in Muzaffarabad highlighted the contribution and sacrifice of Burhan Wani in the ongoing Kashmir freedom movement. The seminar, organized by the Institute of Multi-Track Dialogue, Development and Diplomatic Studies in collaboration with the civil society, was attended by university graduates and civil society activists. In Paris, the Jammu and Kashmir Forum France organized a function to pay tributes to Burhan Wani on his martyrdom anniversary. The president of the forum, Mirza Asif Jaral, on the occasion said, "The martyrdom of Burhan Wani gave impetus to the Kashmiris' ongoing freedom movement." A leaked WhatsApp audio chat from India has come to the surface, wherein a man and a woman, followers of Hindutva outfits, reveal that the Hindutva groups have created armies in 12 districts of India so far to fight Muslims, and their motto is to create similar armies in 726 districts of the country. Another media report reveals that auditors from the Indian government visiting offices of non-governmental organizations and asking about their Muslim employees and the political allegiance of the staff of these organizations. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.